Hello and welcome to KSGindia.com. ADB appointed a new director for India. The Asian Development Bank on September 14, 2020 said it has appointed Takeo Konishi as its new country director for India. Konishi succeeds Kenichi Yokoyama, who has taken over as Director General of ADB's South Asia Department and will be based at ADB headquarters in Manila. As head of the country office in New Delhi, Konishi will lead ADB operations and policy dialogue with the government and other development partners in India. So let us talk about this in detail. He will oversee the implementation of ADB's India Country Partnership Strategy 2018 to 2022 that focuses on building industrial competitiveness to create more jobs, providing inclusive infrastructure network and services, and addressing environmental and climate change concerns. Konishi has 22 years of professional experience, including almost 2 decades with ADB in many senior roles, including as country director of Uzbekistan Resident Mission and advisor in the Central and West Asia Department. In the latest role as Director of Public Management, Financial Sector and Trade Division in ADB's South Asia Department, Konishi has proactively supported fast tracking of ADB's COVID-19 programs in the South Asia region. The role of India in ADB. India is currently ADB's 4th largest shareholder and has been its largest borrower since 2020. Since commencing its lending operations to India in 1986, ADB has committed 242 sovereign loans amounting to $44.1 billion. This year, ADB has so far committed $2.2 billion in sovereign lending, which includes $1.5 billion support to the government's immediate response to COVID-19, including disease containment and social protection measures. The current India portfolio comprises 68 projects worth about $13.7 billion, that is $13.7 billion. So thank you so very much. That's it for today. Thank you for watching KSGindia.com and stay tuned